Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and in this video I'm going to show you the bits and bobs I brought home from HobbyCraft. Supposedly, as I said, my last shopping trip before Christmas, so this year. And I hope it's going to be, but there is one thing I might need. Well, I won't go there, I don't think. We'll go to Maidstone again before Christmas, but we'll see. But it will be kind of my last proper shopping trip. So I'm just going to show you then all the things that I got. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's about there, and the little bell, and you could end up getting a notification at some time or another, maybe, possibly. I only say that because you do sometimes, you don't other times, you know. Anyway, what did I buy? Well, as you know, I went there for grey, and I took this one with me so that I could match it, and I managed to find this one straight off, and I was so pleased. It was one of the first things I spotted, and it's lovely. It's Women's Institute. They're 100 gram balls DK. And has it got a name? Oh, grey. Go figure that. So, I cannot tell you the number. That is just stupidly small, even if I didn't have blurry eyes today where I've been rubbing them. 100% acrylic and 250 meters. Really lovely and soft, so it's going to go well on the project. And it's actually a really good strand size. So what I mean is it's comparable. So I've got one, put them over there, 2, 3, should be enough. And what I liked about it as well was when I put it up against the grey that I did buy, it's a little bit lighter. So I loved the contrast of those two colours, but this was a bit darker than what I wanted. And this one is just perfect because the other one I had was lighter. So this one was too light and the other one was a little dark, and this one's perfect. So I got 3 of those, which is cool. And it's all falling apart on my shelf because I'm trying to like stash it over there. And I also, because they're 3 for 2, I got 3 of these, although one's disappeared over the back. Oh, there it is. Here it is. And these are just called white, I'm sure of it. Same yardage, acrylic, 100 grams. And I don't know if this is going to be enough for my project. That's the only thing. I didn't want to buy any more because it was 3 for 2. So this is the only thing that I'm not sure if I've got enough of. And if I don't, I could always order it online. I don't have to go all the way there. But you never know. It might be enough. Might be enough. So, what else did I get? I couldn't resist this. Oh my God. As soon as I saw it, it just spoke to me and said, you need to take me home with you. And why didn't you notice me last time you come? Because you would have bought more of it. As it was, they only had one, and it's called Magenta Green, and it's HT502. It makes all the difference when it's black writing on the yarn band. 98% acrylic and 2% metallic, but acrylic is more like premium acrylic, and the metallic, can't feel it at all. You know, some lurex and metallic yarn scratchy, but you don't even know that's there. That is amazingly put in there, you know. It's just so soft. It's just called fashion yarn, so they don't actually give you a size. You know, I'd say it's a DK. I'd say it's a 3 weight. Looking at it, what do you think? Look, it's not anything. I wouldn't say that's a 4 weight, or it's definitely a DK. I don't know why they do that. Just put fashion yarn, and then they don't put the you know, the weight of it, which is silly, because you know, if you're matching it with other yarns, you really want to know. It's saying a 5mm crochet hook, and I would do that with an Aran. Aran is 5.5 to me, but to me this is DK. This is 4.5 to 5, I guess. Yeah, maybe. So yeah, that is beautiful. Look at the colours in there. It's got these beautiful purple kind of vibes going on with the lyrics. It's got that green. It's just beautiful. Magenta and green. Could have come up with a better name than that, couldn't they? For something so stunning. Anyway, it's enough to make a project. It's enough to do like a hat or a pair of gloves, but you can't do both unless you couple it with another yarn, of course. Might do that yet. I don't know what I'm going to make with that. Might be something completely wacky and off the charts. So I did buy some more knitting needles. I really didn't try the others. I was going to try them before I bought any more in case I don't like them. But I figured, you know, oh, what the hell. Just get them. So I did, and I bought 2 today, a 5 and an 8. I have no idea really what I bought last time. When I find them, if I've got duplicates, I'll swap them. I'll save them and take them there and swap them. So, yeah. Thought I'd give them a go anyway. And I bought this, which I'm going to need a pom-pom maker for the hats that I'm making. So these ones look a darn sight better than all the pom-pom makers that I have, which were possibly just free gifts. The other ones that I've got. I don't think I've ever bought one, but they do look a lot better. So got them now anyway, so that was them. And then I decided that I wanted to get another couple of the Mandala Ombres. I already have 2, and I figured, although they're 150 grams and 344 yards, 315 meters, I still didn't think it was enough to kind of get, when I put them like that, I always think like boobies. I really shouldn't do that, because the stupid like naughty part of my brain kicks in. I shouldn't give in to it, you know. Shouldn't give in to it. Anyway, maybe it's better that way round. Then you can't see it, can you? Earrings. No. Anyway, I've got 4 now, so that's enough to make something fabulous with. The other 2 are on the shelf behind me. So yeah, then I found it. Well, I found it before that. I've made a beeline for it, to be fair. I managed to get 2 more of these because I was really stupid last time I went there and didn't get any more. But look at that, it's just so beautiful. It's got like a hidden gem inside. I absolutely love this. I'm so glad I could get some more and they didn't sell out. But this is just called Purple Blue. Purple Blue. 98% acrylic, 2% metallic, same as this one. But oh, it's just sumptuous. And I've got 2 more of these, so that means I've got 3 of these now and 3 of these, so that should be enough to make something decent. Just beautiful. I couldn't resist it. Absolutely loved it. But this one, as you see, as it's parting, you can see it goes a bit of a darker colour and then it goes blue, because this one's slightly different on the ball, if you know what I mean. These 2 are the same, wound the same, so they just look like they're purple. But then when you see this one, you know it kind of changes. But I love it. I love it so much. And this one as well. Beautiful. I probably wish I'd got loads of this, but I did buy the shawl. I want to say Shall We Dance, but that was the first one, was Shall We Dance. The Winner Takes the Shawl, I think it's called now. I did buy quite a lot of this colourway. Oh, I hate that word. Colour scheme. I did buy quite a lot of that in the Winner Takes the Shawl. So I've got enough to make what I want. So this is just beautiful, isn't it? I just love this. Twist and Shout it's called. And it is just stunning. And now I have 3. And if they'd had more of this one, definitely would have got it. I didn't get the one that Gary liked with the gold on it. I just figured that they had one of those. It wouldn't really be enough to make a shawl. I probably could have made a scarf or something with it, but they're 3 for 2, so I would have had to make it worthwhile, I would have had to have got another 2 of them. And I didn't really want to go buying 3 of those, and I didn't want to ram my price up either, my cost, because I went out to buy Christmas presents, so I ended up getting a little bit of yarn. But it's not little, is it? It's just a medium-sized little haul. But then, to be honest with you, these 3 and the 3 grey ones are for my new project. So that's a Christmas present. So I didn't do too bad. And then, you know, I dare say I shall make some of these up into Christmas presents. So, in a way, I wasn't naughty. Justification. You can spin it any way you like, can't you, really? So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. I will be doing a live stream tomorrow. If you're watching this in the future, I probably still will be doing a live stream. So yeah, take care, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye for now.